Our work is about seed selection method for instruction-guided image editing. Image editing has been revolutionized by diffusion models. It remains among the most powerful image generation models and also delivers state-of-the-art performance. Recently, instruction-guided image editing models let us modify an image with a single sentence, which is extremely user-friendly. However, the outputs are highly sensitive to the random seed, and the sensitivity often appears as unwanted background changes. Here is the same source image and the same instruction, but difference is you can see that the foreground sometimes changes as intended, yet there is some background artifact or gets over-edited. This forces users to try many seeds by trial and error. Our goal is to screen seeds efficiently before we spend full computation on any one of them. Prior works for instruction-guided model are usually fine-tuned from text-to-image models and use three-way classifier-free guidance. Some methods try to limit edits with masks. And some test-time scaling methods like best-of and search help in large language models or text-to-image models, but often relies on external verifiers and evaluates final output. Our approach is different. We stay verifier-free, we operate in image-to-image editing, and we rely on early signals rather than full rendering process. From some metrics and small user study, we find that background consistency is strongly tied to how people judge editing quality. If the background stays intact and only the requested object changes, people almost always prefer the output. However, at the inference time, we do not have ground truth mask, so we approximate what the model intends to edit by looking at early signals, and we prefer seeds that leave the background essentially unchanged. In instruction-based editing, the model already localizes what to change during the early denoising steps. Later steps mainly refine details. Using the model standard estimate of the clean image from the current noise state, we can form an early preview of the final output. This preview is good enough to compare seeds before paying the full cost. So here is the core idea. For each candidate seed, we run only a small number of early denoising steps. From those partial trajectories, we extract a relevance map that highlights where the model is trying to make changes. We average these maps across seeds to get a consensus foreground, and by inversion, we obtain the background region we want to protect. For each seed, we then compare the background part of the source image with the model's early clean image estimate. This gives a background inconsistency score, or BIS. So lower BIS means better background preservation, and we simply rank the seeds by BIS and keep the best one. The full pipeline is simple, and we call it elect. First, run a few early steps for multiple seeds, then build relevance maps and the consensus mask. Next, compute the BIS for each seed and then select the seed with the lowest score. And finally, finish remain denoising steps only for that selected seed. Elect is simple to plug in and it is model agnostic. We evaluate across several instruction-guided image editing models, including a DIT-based model. For metrics, we measure instruction following and background preservation, and we also report the VIE score, which is human aligned score using a vision language model. Across all baselines, elect clearly improves over a single seed. When we match the overall compute against best of and search, elect reaches the better quality because it evaluates more candidates early instead of fully rendering many. Looking at efficiency, elect reaches best of n performance with substantially fewer effective steps. On PIE bench, the average reduction is around 40%, and In some cases, it is close to 60%. In practice, this means faster screening and equal or better edits without any external verifier. These examples show that a fixed seed over-edits the scene or shift the context. Best of n helps, but elects tend to the background consistency while applying the requested foreground change more clearly. Lastly, we provide an applicable method for prompt selection. Seed selection is powerful, but if the instruction itself is out of distribution, changing the seed may not be enough. In those cases, we can try a few prompt variants and apply the same early selection strategy. This often improves the overall score further. Think of it as an optional add-on for ambiguous instructions. To conclude, Elect is a zero-shot, verifier-free, and efficient way to choose a good seed by minimizing background inconsistency. It reduces compute and improves reliability across different editors. A limitation is that if relevance is extremely diffuse or the instruction is very ambiguous, the selection can be misled. Even then, our instruction alignment and human aligned metrics remain strong in aggregate.